just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, aka Ali, and today I'll be showing you this pumpkin eye look and how to get it. If you'd like to see how I got this pumpkin eye look, please keep watching. So let me get started with this pumpkin makeup look. So I'm going in with my DreamShells palette, and I'm going to start off with this orange right here. Yeah, I'm going to start off with this orange. I'll blend that all over the crease. I can see you want me to. That was me. I've been waiting, gonna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it now. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Now I'm going into this orange right here. So I'm going to put that in the brow bone. I want to add some of this orange in the brow bone also to kind of darken it up a little bit. So now I'm going back into this orange here, and I'm putting that in the lid part. And I want to go back into this orange here and kind of blend everything together. So I'll be going back in between these three oranges here and just blending everything together. Answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I amethyst on the lid also, just to make it a little more. Yep.
Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now I've been waiting. Think I wanna make a move now. Baby, tell me if you like it.
So I'm gonna do the pumpkin part of the makeup.
Can see you want me to, and now it's me and you. Now I've been waiting you. I'm thinking about making that move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. I've been waiting. Hey, gotta make that move. Gotta make the move.
God. So now I'm gonna do the nose and the eyes. So that's one eye complete. I want to do the other eye. If the other eye don't film, it's because my camera cutting off. Okay guys, so this is the final pumpkin makeup, well, pumpkin eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this pumpkin Halloween makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next Halloween video. Bye guys.